This is a place where you can do rafting. The water level is very low. I think few of them are doing rafting over there. Not sure. The water level is very less now. And here we have a Vaishno Devi temple. Vaishno Devi temple. Maggie stalls. This is Kulu. Hello guys, and finally we are in the bus and we are going to Haridwar, and we are done with Manali, Kulu, and we thought of doing river rafting, but you know the water level is very low. But yeah, it's not worth of doing in this time. One more thing, if you're carrying your luggage, it will cost you 20 rupees for each luggage you are carrying. Yes, and again, yeah, the bus costed us 1500 from Manali to Haridwar. He's a naughty fellow. From Manali to Haridwar, and we have booked our ticket from Haridwar to Agra for around 700 to 800 rupees. I'm signing off at Manali, and tomorrow we'll be reaching Haridwar. See you guys, and have a great day. Bye.